This is ma'am. My name is Muhammad Simarika. I am from Marine Transportation Bravo 15X Beach. I would like to about the flow of marine transportation, especially in this topic and focus on vessel cargo. Then so is cargo actually transported in marine transportation, important for beginners and apprentices of logistics to understand the flow of cargo and its paperwork. First of all, let's understand the overall logistic flow. Then you will know what to do in each section in the flow. First, let's see the production work in factory. It is quite rare for an individual person to use containers for transportation, but some fabricators produce goods every day and ship them overseas every week. Our customer also transportation various cargo by marine transportation, including automotive parts, frozen food, paper, leather product, cosmetic, scrap, packaging material, and so on. Once the goods of a completed product in done a factory shipping representative send of booking to a forwarder. At this time, the following are informed. Type and number of container, pick up date, loading plates, unloading plates, cut off, etc., etc., free time. Based on the information, the forwarder prepare the vessel through custom clearance and confirmatory document. Basically, many customers request a one-stop logistics service with a adequate of having a single contact the complete logistic to a forwarder. And checking a necessary document is especially important if an of information is wrong. A cargo cannot pass through custom clear properly non-breed a vessel. In addition, if certificates of origin is a mistake a cargo, it has allowed for duty reduction. We need special attention for paperwork mistakes to pick up a cargo. We visit a container depot to pick up empty container in the morning of the cargo pick up in the evening of the day before. Container depots are also referred to as container van full. The depot is taken with loads using shipping company container that have been canned and repaired. When pick up an empty container, we have to be careful of the quality of the container. A poor quality container is something a scenic even took we have booked a container grade our service in is to urge that our truck drivers check the quality of the container they pick up and deliver them to our customer. When the empty container is delivered to a customer factory, we load cargo into a large scale. Customer might use dozens of containers a day. We calculate the time to load and also measure truck delivery schedule. The container must check the grip a sea, so it's important the cargo is not moved inside. It must also be left fixed firmly. The container arrives at port where it's loaded into a vessel. The trim cut off is used for deadline of container get in at the port. In addition, container return means that it has to go back to port to be loaded on a vessel. Before the container is bedded on a vessel, before VGM and export, custom clearance to complete it. As you see, you have to complete a load application before a cargo is loaded into a vessel. A really large number of containers are being completed in a terminal. Therefore, cut-off must be kept because enough for loading and unloading in a port necessary when a container is loaded into a vessel. It is listed and bedded by a large crane called a gantry crane. The tall width of the container is a major usage since it is being lifted. Some customers agree a 14 container can carry the weight of feed container, but it can keep in mind that cargo which is route limited to about phone without feed or feed legs. This lot of container outlets and the vessel there is limit of the space on a vessel as you see the feature. Spending on the season it can be difficult to keep a space. Bill of lading is issued when a container is loaded into a vessel. The stack a loop of the flow. Bill of lading is issued by a forwarder and it is sent to shipper. During the time, payment for goods is made between shipper and consignment. For original bill of lading, shipper will send the original bill of lading to consignment by a courier service such as duty or FedEx. Truth consign must limiting bill of lading to pick up the or a container is repeating loaded and loaded to its power well. Being located in a vessel, the sea a vessel is something daily due to water, but this can be helpful. Marine transportation can take a few days to carry its the close ocean, but it might take up to months if it's a large like Japan, Europe before a vessel arrives to the port. A arrival notice is issued and seen by an importer forwarder to consignment. Arrival notice a number of costs such as terminal holding charge and their fees, which important has to pay. Let's take a closer look at the important process and important most important DO, which is a delivery note, so then amount of money that is written on EN is paid to forwarder at the same timing of the any payment. Bill of lading also submitted. It is a original bill of lading. The original document is submitted and ensured that bill of lading a copy is submitted for forwarder is exchanged, so end payment and bill of lading submission and important forwarder letters. DO to consign in order for importer to pick up container. Not only DO, but also importer custom clearance must be completed. Documents such as invoice, booking list, and certificate of origin are entered into the system and a shipping person directs the import. If 3 is not problem with the declaration, they issues important permit, but it's not. Its protection will be required having betting DO and complete import clearance. Consignor can submit DO to container yard and the pick up the container from the yard. Trailer arrives at the station and cargo is unloaded. This is the end of delivery. Let's look back its process here. A product is made in the factory. Blocking to forwarder with logistic, check document and info, empty container pickup and empty container is delivery into customer and cargo is pick up. The cargo arrive at port, container leaves or vessel. Bill of lading is at ocean export. That is this is where we move to the import step. And issued payment for EN and submit bill of lading requires the all importing custom clearance, container range, cargo delivery. After all this process, the cargo is finally sent to overseas. The destination. Did you like it? It look like we're just transporting cargo in container, but there are various documents required in the process. Each three is mistake. In the common cargo will not be transported simply. Please understand whole cargo and document process you can make smooth international logistic arrangement.